It is really late, and the office has gone quiet. Everyone has left hours ago. I am the only one still here. Even the cleaning staff has come and gone. I finish the final paragraph of my report and read it through once more before saving the file. I lean back in my chair. The work is done. Then I notice an unread email near the top of my inbox. It arrived this morning. I missed it entirely. It is a short question from a colleague. Not urgent, but it deserves a proper reply. I write a short answer and press send. I close the laptop and pack it into my bag. Then I remember the spreadsheet. My manager needs it first thing tomorrow morning. I should have sent it already. I take the laptop out again and set it back on the desk. The screen glows in the darkened room. I open the file. The figures look correct at first, but one of them is wrong. I correct it, save the file, and close the spreadsheet. I pack the laptop away and stand up. I grab my jacket from the back of my chair. I put it on and look around my desk. There are papers and folders everywhere. I cannot leave it looking like this. I sort the papers into piles and put my pen back in the cup beside the monitor. The desk looks considerably better. Before leaving, I stand at the window for a moment. The city lights spread out below, steady and calm. I pick up my bag and walk across the empty office. The lights click off behind me as I move away from the desks. I press the call button. The elevator arrives after a moment. Inside, I check my phone. It is almost 9. I had meant to be home by 8. On the way down, I think of one more thing I forgot to do today. It can wait. The doors open at the ground floor. Outside, the night air is cool, but nice. I breathe it in, then start walking toward the station.